Uthuthuria wa postmortem hari miiri 109 iria thikuritio mwena wa Shakahola ni wambiriirie igitongorio ni mutaramu wa uthuthuria wa miiri Johansen Odur na ataramu angi hamwe na ataramu a uthuthuria kuma ruhonge-ini rwa DCI thibitari-ini wa Malindi kaunti-ini ya Kilifi. Akiaria ari nyumba-ini ya kuiga miiri ya thibitari wa Malindi, Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Prof Kindiki augite mihang'o ino ikuoya ihinda ria kiumia kimwe, no Johansen Odur ongerera uthurimi wa DNA ni ukuoya ihinda mbere ya andu aria maretha andu ao mamenyithitio maumirira.
That process is expected to take roughly a week, all going well, because again it's a process which is time-bound, but of course other factors could arise which could delay.
DNA is not a process whereby you just match today and tomorrow you are going to say, voila, this is the test. It's a process, so it might not take 1 day or 2 days, it might even take 1 month.
Kindiki ni oriti muingi kugia na wetereria kiuga gutiri undu na umwe ukuhithirirwo uthuthuria-ini uyu. Hari nganja iria irekirirwo na gwikuirwo kwahoteka kuri na thuguri ya ciiga cia mwiri hari andu aria makuite. Kindiki augite uthuthuria ucio no ugukorwo gitafanio hindi ya postmortem na angikorwo kuri na undu ta ucio a Kenya no makamenyithio.
If any of our people have their organs missing, we will tell the world. There is nothing we are hiding. That is the truth. And we'll have to find out why those organs are missing, who took them and where. And therefore, this is a long and protracted process of accountability. I'm just praying for patience as we go step by step.
Na hari maafitha thirikari aria hihi mangikorwo magondereire wira-ini wao kana kuhithirira ciiko ici cia Shakahola. Kindiki augite kamiti ya mwanya iria kumbo guthuthuria ndeto ino ni kurora uhoro uyu na gukurana hihi kana ciiko cia maafitha thirikari no gukorwo icungireirie ikuo ici na kugiririria undu ta uyu gukahanika ringi.
The Commission of Inquiry will also investigate, inquire and make recommendations on action that must be taken against any public officer whose action, inaction, failure or outright negligence could have caused the deaths that have occurred. We have transferred all public officers within the security sector who were in office when the crimes in Shakahola were taking place, with the exception of only those officers who reported after the event had taken place.
Mihang'o ya guthikuria miiri mugunda-ini uyu wa Shakahola ni rugamitio ni undu wa mbura nene iria ikoretwo ikiura mwena uyu. Ataramu makiuga ingithikurio gukiuraga uthuthuria wa DNA no wage gukinyanira. Kindiki augite thirikari ni irethugunda kwamura mugunda uyu wa Shakahola ta handu ha kiririkano gia ikuo ici. Gavana wa Kilifi Gideon Mung'aro ni oritie muingi kugia na wetereri nginyagia mihang'o ino itirihwo akiuga ona mugururio uria uratabania Chakama ti wa kuguoyohia muingi amu ni arumiriri a witikio wa Paul Mackenzie marethwo aria marathie na mbere kwihinga kuria na kunyua. Kindiki augite kamiti ya mwanya ni kumboica ikuhi ta uria president aranireire. Uthuthuria uyu wa miiri ni uguteithiriria hanene hari uthuthuria wa ikuo cia Shakahola na guteithiriria hari cira wa muhunjia Paul Mackenzie na aria makuruhanitio na ikuo ici. Ihinda-ini riu Fatma Hadi ni amuritwo ta murugamiriri munene wa borithi kaunti-ini ya Kilifi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwirore.